Hello there, beautiful people. Today I am reviewing the Chi Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray. I think it's 44 Iron Guard. And this particular product is 8 fluid ounces. It's thermal protection spray for your hair when you use irons, any sort of irons, curling iron, straightening iron. And it's a great little product that I picked up because I bought a hairpiece and it said to use thermal spray, and I found that also using it on my natural hair works really, really well. It works with heat, obviously heat, flat irons. It has a nice smell to it. It's silky. It's protective. Yeah, you just spray it on after you wash your hair, and it will work with curling irons and straight irons. I found that it protected my hair. It made it more shiny. Like I said, I bought a pretty expensive hairpiece, and I wanted to protect it. And you can use it on color treated hair. It works on thin hair, it works on fine hair, it works on thick hair. You most likely want to, you don't want to use it and then straight use a flattening iron or a curling iron. You want it to be a little dry, so you want to dry your hair with blow dryer first, or let it air dry and then go in and use the flat iron. It's a really great product. I was shopping on Amazon for a hair protectant, and it's in a good range. And Chi stands for cationic hydration interlength, and this is the 44 thermal protecting system. Their tagline is keep your guard up. So the Chi 44 Iron Guard Thermal Protection Spray provides superior heat protection from the outside against styling and finishing damages from the hottest of heat tools. It's a weightless formula. There's no buildup. And so Chi makes iron, flat irons and curling irons. So they say it works best with theirs, but I do not own a Chi flat iron or curling iron. One nice thing is it's not tested on animals. It's also made in the USA, and it's suitable for all hair types, like I said before. So you can get Chi irons. The range is on the higher end in terms of price. This is a pretty reasonable price for a product of this caliber, and I would absolutely give it a try. Add it to your beauty arsenal, add it to your hair routine, because you can never get enough protectant, especially when you use heat products. And like I said, I bought a hair piece and just an extension piece, and I use it specifically on that if I'm going to use any iron tools on that, curling or straight. Usually curling, because I like to curl my hair. So like I said, like I always say, don't take my word for it, try it yourself. And thanks so much for watching.